Alex here with an event video on the state of Nevada versus Bradley Bellisario, a case involving a Las Vegas attorney accused of stalking his wife who filed for divorce last year. The state filed an indictment alleging specifically that the defendant sent threatening text messages to his wife and her relatives, broke the front porch light and Ring doorbell cameras at her home, smashed her vehicles, and drove his car into the garage door. The defendant, who owns the Bellisario law firm, presumably denies the allegations and accuses his wife of bad faith, specifically because she planned to use a confrontation to entice him into a physical altercation so that she could gain an advantage in the child custody fight. The defendant filed a number of separate lawsuits consistent with these assertions against others involved in the divorce proceedings, including his wife, her father, the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, licensed marriage and family therapists Donna Wilburn and Anna Trujillo, Deputy District Attorney Brianna Lamana, as well as family law attorneys Jason Stoffel, Boris Abramsky, Amanda Roberts, and Joseph Riccio. The civil complaints Mr. Bellisario filed allege a variety of claims, including malicious prosecution, defamation, deceptive trade practices, collusion, negligent misrepresentation, parental abduction, and fraud upon the courts. Mr. Bellisario also sued the Las Vegas Review-Journal for libel after it began coverage of the proceedings, complaining specifically of a reporter's characterization of his prior criminal proceedings. Defense attorney Ross Goodman cited defendant's good standing with the Nevada State Bar, insisting, quote, "He is certainly not going to do anything to jeopardize his career," unquote. District Court Judge Michael Villani has granted our request to provide indefinite electronic coverage of the proceedings, including the jury trial, scheduled for August 2nd at 9 a.m. The state of Nevada is represented by Brianna Lamana. The defendant is represented by Ross Goodman. You can keep up to date with our coverage schedule on ournevadajudges.com, and as with our previous videos, feel free to post any questions you have down in the comments below, or you can send us an email at admin@ournevadajudges.com.
All right, we're back live.
He was a potential danger to his children.
We're here for the court's order to show cause.
Okay, so that takes care of one motion.
Maybe somebody could tell me what the status is.
Any preliminary issues we need to take care of?
We'll make sure that she's put on house arrest. As you know, the Supreme Court has